Welcome back, students. The topic for today's discussion is importing modules in Python. So there are two forms of importing the modules which are available in Python. The first form is we are trying to import the entire module, means whatever objects that are present in that module can be used in our program. Let us see how to use it. Import. Here the module name I have taken for the example is math. This is one method via which I am trying to import all the objects that are present there in math. Either I can be using this way, or I do have one more thing or one more way, that is import math by giving an alias name. Instead of using the name as math, I can give the short form as M. Import math as M. This is one way of accessing the objects that are present in a particular module. Let us discuss the second form, namely importing selected objects from a module. If my intention is not to use all the objects, I will be choosing this particular method, namely from. Means from which module? The module I am going to use is math. If I am going to use only one single object from math, what you are going to import? Import a particular object. The object name is pi there. Again, I repeat, my intention is to use only one selected object from the particular module, namely math. So from the statement itself, it is clear that from is the keyword. Which module name? Math is the module name. What are you going to import? Import the specific object, namely pi. This is for importing a single object. In order to import multiple objects, that is more than one object, what is the command which we will use? From is the keyword. Which module name? The module name is math. What are you going to import? Import specific objects, namely sqrt and pow. In the print example I have given, print sqrt of 10, pow of 5, 3. Here kindly note that we will not be using math.py, whereas here we will be specifically using the object name and we will be giving the parameters whatever it is required. In order to import all the objects of a particular module, whatever objects that are present in a particular module, I will be using one other type of syntax, namely from. The module name is math. I am trying to import all. Here all, we cannot use it as all. Star indicates all the objects. So previously I have used only sqrt and pow. Here in this example, that is the third example, I am trying to use seal flory sqrt. All right, let us discuss these things via a simple program. As I said earlier, there are two methods. One is importing the entire package, the other one is importing the necessary package. This example explains us how to use or how to import the entire package by using the package name or by using the alias name. I have given two things. One is import math, the other one is import math as an alias name called as M. So when I am trying to use now whatever objects that are present there in math, I can able to use it. How to use it now? Math.pow, math.seal, math.floor. That is, I am trying to mention the module name dot the object name along with the parameters. Either I can use in this method or I can use it using the alias name, namely m.sqrt, m.tan, m.exp. I have run this program already. So on giving 2 power 4, it is 16. 5.5 seal gives the answer as 6. Floor 5.2 gives us 5. And then comes SQRT of 45, which is 6.7. Tan 45 gives me 1.6 something. And exponential of 2 gives me 7.3. Moving on to the next type, namely importing the required or the necessary packages. There we have discussed 3 types. One is importing all the modules using the command called as from, or importing a specific or a single object. The other one is importing multiple objects using from. So the first example, whatever we have simulated in demo import 1 program, namely the 6 functions which I have shown, which I am showing now, have been implemented using from. From math import star means you are trying to import the entire objects that are present in math. Here, one thing, if you note, you are not supposed to use math.pow, math.seal, something like that. You are not supposed to use. You are supposed to use the object name directly along with the parameters. This is one thing with respect to importing the entire package of math. The other thing is, with respect to random, I am trying to use or import only one single object, namely randint. So randint is going to give me a number which is in between 2, 5. This only one specific function I can use with respect to random. If I'm trying to use random function itself or rand range, this particular program will throw an error. Why? Because those are not imported functions. Whereas with respect to statistics, I have tried to import 3 of the inbuilt objects, namely mean, median, mode. So mean takes a set of values which is going to give me the average. Median is going to give me the middle number, and the mode is going to give me the maximum occurrences of a particular number. I have run this program also. This is demo import 2. This is my program. So power answer is 16, seal is 6, floor is 5, and then SQRT is 6.7, tan is 1.6, exponential is 7.3. Now rand.randint has generated the number 5. Mean of the particular given series is 6, median is 3, and then mode is 5. If I am trying to import any other package other than the discussed one, let me give a try only once. Print random I am giving. Let us compile once and then let us run this program. It is showing that random is not defined. It is showing that random is not defined. Why? Because I have imported only one object in random. To rectify the error, I am just showing it. Since an error has occurred, I am running the program again. Yes, now I am able to get an answer for that one also. That is, a random has generated a number between 0.0 and 1.0, and this is the answer for that particular one. I hope this particular part, that is importing either the entire module or importing the necessary modules using from, has made clear. Thank you.